those couples that are starting from scratch, ano yung general advice na pwede mong mabigay sa kanila to have that nurturing relationship? Especially if they're planning to put up a family with a lot of kids or with kids.
Lagi itong sinasabi ng iba eh, lalo na yung mga matatanda, put God at the center of your relationship. Totoo talaga yun eh. Totoo talaga yun. You put God in the center kasi siya yung magiging kasama. Mag-pray kayo, kayong dalawa. Hindi pwedeng isa lang. Kayong dalawa mag-pray together, you serve God and you serve the community, and then eventually blessings will follow. And then of course, kayong dalawa as a couple, strengthen your bond. Kung couple pa, hindi pa kasal, get to know each other so that you'll be able to identify kung paano yung love language niya. I-fill up niyo talaga yung love language na yun. Kasi pag hindi yun na-fill up, after some time, manghihingi yun eh. Lalabas yun sa away years later.
Totoo. So, advice ha, do'n sa mga lalaki, yung mga lalaki diyan talagang ramdam ko kayo. Hindi tayo magaling sa ganyan but need to put an effort to learn, number one, ano yung love language ng asawa niyo at saka pangalawa, gawin yun in actual kung ano yung love language niya. And that's how you start from scratch to build that nurturing relationship as husband and wife.